What's up, family? As you can see up here on my dashboard, it says I currently have the sum of 87.38 USDT. Okay, so guys, this money you see right here was made simply by performing what is called the spatial arbitrage or the cross exchange arbitrage. All right, so this kind of arbitrage involves buying a certain cryptocurrency at a low price on one exchange and going over to another exchange to sell at a high price. Okay, and thereby making enormous profit for yourselves, guys. All right. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do all of that to actually start making some good amount of money for yourselves performing arbitrage, guys. Okay, so make sure you stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of it so you get to know exactly how you can start making some good amount of money for yourself each and every single day performing arbitrage, guys. All right. So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are back on my Binance account right now. So before you can start performing this arbitrage, you first of all need to have signed up on various cryptocurrency exchange, guys. Okay, and as well, you also need to make sure you complete your KYC on each and every one of the crypto exchange before you start transacting. Okay, so right now the basic question would be, how do I cite these opportunities and how do I know what crypto to buy low and sell high? Okay, so guys, you have nothing to worry about. I got you all covered. Okay, so right now the first step would be going over to your Google browser or whatever browser you have, guys. All right, so I'm going to go over there right now. So let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google browser right now. So while we're here, all you simply do is hit on the search bar right here and just simply type in crypto arbitrage bots. Okay, and then you simply hit on enter, guys. So this is it. So as you can see, this very first link right here that says https coinarbitragebots.com, you just simply need to hit on it, guys. Okay, so it's going to load up right now. Here we are, guys. So this bot right here is a totally free bot that gives you cryptocurrency live prices, price predictions, and arbitrage opportunities. Okay, and down below here says get live up to the minute prices of cryptocurrency, coins, and tokens. Find price predictions and in-depth technical analysis of more than 46,000 tokens. Okay, so guys, this arbitrage bot right here gives you all this opportunity you see right here for absolutely free without charging nothing. Unlike other arbitrage bots out there that charges you a very high amount of money just to give you the exact same thing that this bot right here is going to be giving you today. Okay, so guys, before we proceed with this video right now, if you're actually getting value so far from this video, please make sure you actually smash on that subscribe button right now for your boy. Turn on the bell icon, give this video a thumbs up right now, and as well share this video to reach out to as much persons as possible so you actually help someone today. Okay, I actually go out of my way right here on this channel to bring something of value to us so we can always benefit from it and actually be happy, guys. All right, so the only way you can support us right here on this channel is by subscribing to this channel, sharing our videos, and as well liking our videos, guys. Okay, so if you have done that already, guys, God bless you. So let's proceed. All right, so up here it actually shows this three hamburger sign at the top right corner of my screen. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Down below here that says tools, I'm going to hit on tools right here. And over here that says arbitrage, I'm going to hit on arbitrage. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Here we are. So as you can see up here, guys, it says check arbitrage opportunities. All right, so down below here are the list of exchanges that you can actually find this arbitrage opportunities. Okay, so right now, guys, what you have to do is making sure you filter off some exchanges right here and actually leave the ones that you are currently signed up to. Okay, and make sure to know that not all exchanges right here are actually trustworthy, guys. Okay, so that is the basic reason why you need to do some research on your own so you can be able to distinguish between the good ones from the bad ones. And then when you actually find out about the good ones, you simply sign up and do your KYC on them so you get the most out of this arbitrage opportunity, guys. All right, so let's say you're actually done signing up and doing your KYC on various exchanges that you have actually made your research about. The next step would be to filter the exchanges that you are currently signed up to with the ones that you are not signed up to. Okay, so how do you do that? You can do that by simply ticking off the exchanges that you are not signed up to with the ones that you are currently signed up to, guys. Okay, so how do you do that? I'm going to hit on this one right here that says bit delta. I don't know anything about this exchange. I'm going to tick it off. And this one right here called Bitcorp, I'm going to tick it off. This one right here called BitTunics, I'm going to tick it off. This one right here called Ascendex, I'm going to tick it off, guys. This one right here called Asbit, I'm going to tick it off. So I'm going to pause this video and just quickly tick all the ones that I'm not currently signed up to right now. I'm going to tick it off and just get back here, guys. Okay, so let's go. Boom, guys. So as you can see right here, I'm done ticking off the exchanges that I'm not so sure about, and then I left the ones of which I'm sure about. Okay, so you can just take a look at these exchanges that are currently ticked blue right here, and then you simply go sign up on them. And as well, make sure you complete your KYC, guys. Okay, so when you're actually done, you just simply scroll down below here, and then up here that says select base currency, you just simply hit on it. As you can see, you can actually select USD and BTC. You can also select USD and BTC alone. Okay, I'm going to be selecting USD and BTC right here. And down below here that says select minimum arbitrage percent, I'm going to hit on it and just select 2%. Okay, so as you can see, guys, you can select up to 50% right here, but don't be greedy, guys. Just simply select 2%. So when you are done with that, you just simply copy this captcha right here and then you paste it right here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to hit on enter text right here and just simply hit on QARYT. So that is it. I'm going to hit on submit down below here, guys. So let's see how this goes. Boom, guys. So it's downloading right now. So I'm going to scroll down right here. I'm going to scroll down. So as you can see right here, it says you can find lowest price marked as red and highest price marked as green. And down here it says all markets listed have a volume more than or equal to 0.25 BTC. So up here says arbitrage opportunities found were 180. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down right now, guys. All right. Okay, so as you can see up here, guys, it says exchange, and these are the list of exchanges that arbitrage opportunities were found from. Okay, so this is it. So if I scroll further right now, guys, you would see that this one up here says ZEC/USD. Okay, so when you observe closely, you would see that if you buy ZEC/USD on Poloniex for 37.22 USDT, you can then go down below here and sell at Gemini for the sum of 43.06, as you can see right here, guys. Okay, so green right here actually indicates profit, and red right here actually indicates loss. Okay, so it actually means that you are buying low on Poloniex right here, and you are coming over here to Gemini to sell high, which is green. Okay, so that is basically how you can spot this arbitrage opportunity on various exchanges, and then you actually go over there and buy. So you actually come over to Poloniex and buy, and then you quickly go over to Gemini to sell, guys. Okay, mind you, arbitrage is actually fast. You need to be fast on trades so you won't actually run out of the opportunity, guys. So that is basically how you can do this. All right, so the next right here, you can also trade other tokens right here. As you can see, this one right here called prompt/USD. If you scroll down below here now, you would see that you can buy prompt on Eld Bank for the sum of 0.14, and then you can sell at Kraken for the sum of 0.15, as you can see. So that is basically how you can spot these opportunities, guys. Okay, so the next token right here is SQD/USD. As you can see right here, you can buy SQD/USD on this Poloniex right here for the sum of 0.2016, and then you can sell at this other exchange right here called crypto.com for the sum of 0.20852. Okay, so that is basically how it is, guys. It's very easy. All you simply do is make sure you sign up to these exchanges and actually transact really fast, guys. Okay, so there are other tokens right here. This one called PLU/USD. You can also scroll down below here. You can buy it low for 0.6 at this crypto exchange right here called KuCoin, and then you can sell for 0.62 on this exchange right here called Coinbase. Okay, so that is basically how you can make use of this arbitrage bot to actually make some good amount of money for yourself each and every single day, guys. Okay, all you just simply need to do is sign up on the various exchanges, and then you actually do your KYC, and then you actually come over here to the arbitrage board to find opportunities on arbitrage. Okay, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. On our next video, we're going to be doing a basic practical on buying low from one exchange and then selling high on another exchange to make profit. Okay, so if you actually want that video, do well to leave a comment down below the comment section saying, hey Don, I need a practical video on this. And boom, guys, I'm going to be making a practical video for you all. Okay, so the more comments, likes, and shares I'll be getting on this video will determine if there's going to be a practical video on this particular topic, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions or contributions regarding this tutorial, please kindly leave your comments down below the comment section. And boom, guys, I'm going to be answering all your questions right away. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, guys, do well to leave this video a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, please make sure you actually smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever NWidon TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video, guys. Still have a wonderful day. Peace out.